Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Freedom app not working in Android. So it is easy, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. So first of all, you should have to go to Google Play Store and search for Freedom. Once it opens, then tap on update option. You will see update option here. So first of all, update the Freedom app. This will fix your problem. If this not fix your issue, then go to the settings of your phone and then apps and notifications, then tap on apps and find the Freedom app or search it and then tap on storage option and clear cache as well as data, and then go back and force stop the app. This will fix your issue, but if the problem is still, so then go to Google Play Store again and completely uninstall the app and reinstall it again. But the problem not fixed, then contact Freedom support team. For this, go to Google and search for Freedom support, and here you can see contact link. So with this link you can contact Freedom support team. So hope this will help. Thanks, goodbye.